birthday, Kritika!
So it's my birthday, it's 8th of July, and I got this gift from Manas. It is Noise ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch, and I really love this watch. Actually, I've been looking for this. So it's a new edition, and it has Alexa built in, 24/7 SpO2 monitoring, 1.55 HDD True View display, stress, sleep, heart rate tracking. And let's try this watch, and I'll tell you my experience in my upcoming videos. So in past few years, this is the first time I'm celebrating my birthday with my parents. That makes this day extra special. So I wanted to go for a staycation, and what better than Crescent Resorts and Spa, and it is about 18 kilometers from Indore, and I really wanted to spend some quality time with my family. So stay tuned with us and enjoy the vlog.
Okay, so let's start the room tour. So this is our beautiful room in Crescent Resort and Spa. So on the left side, we have a very big wardrobe. Some coffee cups. And this is a mini fridge we have. So this is the place where you can put your luggage. Here we are celebrating Kritika's birthday. So happy birthday once again, Kritika. So this is a very good place to you so that you can come here and you can enjoy your work from here as well. This is a beautiful study table, and this is coffee table, and this is our bed. It's very beautiful, very comfortable, and the accent wall is again very beautiful. The most amazing part is behind this curtain. So let me show you. Just look at the view. Fortunately, we got this view. So this is a water park view room. So right now, just because of COVID, this water park is currently closed now, but resort is still open. So if you are planning to come here, I would definitely recommend this place. This is beautiful. So after this, we are planning to go to swimming pool, and then we'll enjoy our time there. So Kritika is getting ready.
So this is Mama and Papa's room.
Happy birthday, Kritika!
So we are going for dinner right now. Let's go. Here we are having our dinner. So let's get inside. So beautiful here. And very relaxing.
I love this gazebo. पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे डिनर करने वाले थे, बट पापा को पैर में प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, so that's why we shifted over there. So dinner was amazing. We enjoyed our stay here. Room is like very cozy. The ambience here, I love it. This is the best part of this hotel. This whole thing. after dinner conversation is going on. This is the pool. Look how beautiful each and everything is. Look how, wow. अरे वाह
कितने अच्छी है रे
वाह. हाँ ये बहुत अच्छी है ये. हाँ बहुत ही अच्छी है
कितना
ये.
अच्छा सीन है
वाह ये सच में अच्छी फोटो है.
कितना प्यारा सीन
अरे वाह थोड़ा स्माइल ज्यादा करनी थी. सीरियस फोटोज क्यों लिए हैं? चलो प्राउड ऑफ यू. थोड़ी एक दो चीजें सीख गई हो. कौन कौन सी चीजें कैप्चर करी है? सेल्फी
Swimming.
एक्सपर्ट हो गई हो ना.
स्विमिंग
डिनर की भी.
और नाइट का व्यूज
अरे वाह
बहुत सुंदर बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मजेदार
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is all about my birthday week. So make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.